This dinosaur was built like a tank, but it wasn't a fighter. Argentinosaurus was a gentle giant and the largest known land animal, reaching lengths of up to 30 meters and weighing around 80 to 100 tons. A full-sized house could fit inside the body of an Argentinosaurus. That's Argentinosaurus, the largest known dinosaur and one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth. Picture it, a colossal creature, dragging its massive tail behind it as it moves through the Cretaceous landscape of South America. Let's get this straight, Argentinosaurus wasn't just large, it was colossal. Weighing around 80 tons, this giant equals the mass of 12 elephants. That's a staggering amount of dinosaur, making it one of the largest animals ever to walk the earth. Now, here's the deal. The biggest thing about Argentinosaurus wasn't just its size. It was how it moved. Imagine a creature so massive, it needed powerful muscles to support its body and keep it upright. Despite its colossal weight, Argentinosaurus managed to walk with surprising efficiency, thanks to its robust skeleton and specialized limb joints. But here's the twist. Scientists used to think dinosaurs this big couldn't exist. They believed the Earth's gravity and atmospheric constraints would make such massive creatures impossible. Argentinosaurus proved these notions wrong, standing as a living testament to the evolutionary potential of sauropods. It was a walking miracle, demonstrating the extraordinary adaptability and success of these giants. So how did it move? Well, it had these massive legs, each with 4 toes, 3 forward and 1 backward, which helped support its immense weight. Its enormous thigh bones, or femurs, were as thick as a car's tire, providing the power and stability needed for this colossal creature to move. Imagine that. But the real question is, how did it eat so much? Argentinosaurus had a long neck, around 30 feet, which allowed it to reach foliage high off the ground. Imagine a neck as long as a bus, sweeping across vast swaths of vegetation. Its small head was equipped with teeth designed for stripping leaves from branches, allowing this giant to efficiently feed on a wide range of plant material. So here's the thing, it had to eat a lot. Like a whole lot. Argentinosaurus might have consumed hundreds of kilograms of plants every day. That's like eating your body weight in vegetables every single day. No wonder it grew so massive, becoming one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth. But here's the kicker, it had to be careful. With its massive body, it could crush anything beneath it. Think of it as a living bulldozer, capable of flattening entire forests with a single step. Argentinosaurus's weight could rival the pressure of a modern elephant on a much larger scale, easily uprooting trees and reshaping its environment. And then here's the mind-blowing part, its tail. Argentinosaurus had a long, heavy tail that acted as a counterbalance. It would swing its tail to help maintain balance while walking, much like a tightrope walker uses a pole. Imagine this colossal creature moving through the landscape with the grace and power of a gentle giant. Now let's talk about its bones. They were hollow and lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Air sacs extended into the bones, helping to keep the skeleton light enough to support its massive weight. This is like having a skeleton made of inflated balloons, allowing Argentinosaurus to move despite its tremendous size. Mind-blowing, right? But here's the real shocker. Scientists think Argentinosaurus lived for a very long time, possibly up to 100 years. Imagine being the size of a house and living for a century. That's insane. So how did it survive? Well, it had no natural predators large enough to threaten it. Argentinosaurus, the largest animal to ever walk the earth, roamed the Cretaceous landscape with no contemporary terrestrial predator capable of bringing it down. It was the king of its domain, secure in its immense size and power. Now here's the million-dollar question. How did it reproduce? Imagine laying eggs that were as large as your head. And then picture the baby Argentinosaurus, which would already be larger than a fully grown human. Imagine the sheer scale of such a hatchling. That's some baby, right? But the real mystery is how it evolved. Argentinosaurus had to grow from a hatchling into this massive creature, a process that required significant evolutionary adaptations. Scientists are still trying to figure out how it managed to grow to such colossal sizes so quickly. And then, this is the kicker. There's the question of what happened to Argentinosaurus. It lived for millions of years, and then it was gone. Why? We don't know. It's like a mystery waiting to be solved, with scientists still debating the factors that led to its extinction. So, here's what you need to hear. Argentinosaurus was a marvel of nature, a dinosaur that pushed the limits of physics and biology. It was a titan among sauropods, and it was real. Roaming the landscapes of Cretaceous South America around 100 million years ago, this gentle giant, with its massive body and long neck, was the largest animal ever to walk the earth. Think about it, this creature lived millions of years ago, and it was built like nothing we see today. Argentinosaurus, the largest known dinosaur and one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth, roamed the plains of Cretaceous South America, a world very different from our own. It's a reminder that the world we live in now is just a tiny snapshot of the diverse and wondrous environments that once existed. And it's a humbling thought. So what's the takeaway? Argentinosaurus was a gentle giant, but it was a giant nonetheless. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth during the late Cretaceous period. It's a reminder that there's always something new to discover and wonder at in the fossil record. And that's the real magic of Argentinosaurus. It's a dinosaur that makes you stop and think. As the largest known land animal, Argentinosaurus, with its estimated length of 30 meters and weight of 80 to 100 tons, dwarfs even the most colossal creatures that ever walked the earth. Think about the sheer size of its body. Imagine the weight of Argentinosaurus, the largest known dinosaur, and the scale of its life. It's a creature that makes you see the world in a different light. And that's why Argentinosaurus is the largest known land animal to ever walk the earth. It's a reminder that the world is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered. And that's what makes it amazing. Imagine a world where a single creature could shake the ground just by walking. That's the reality with Argentinosaurus. It wasn't just big. It was a seismic event, an incredible example of the evolutionary marvels that once roamed our planet. Let's talk about its bones. The leg bones alone were as thick as a barrel, each one a solid mass of bone supporting a body that weighed more than 10 elephants. The sheer weight of those bones required massive support structures, with reinforced joints and thickened bone walls to prevent crushing under the immense weight. Now think about its tail. It wasn't just long, it was a powerful structure. The tail vertebrae were massive, each one like a concrete block stacked on top of another, providing a robust counterbalance. While it could have been used to fend off potential threats, its primary function was to act as a massive, swinging pendulum, crucial for maintaining balance as Argentinosaurus, one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth, moved through its South American habitat. Argentinosaurus wasn't just a dinosaur, it was a biomechanical marvel. Its ribcage was so wide, it could have easily sheltered a small car inside. The lungs were enormous, necessary to supply sufficient oxygen to its massive body. It's like trying to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool with a straw, highlighting the sheer scale and engineering prowess of this colossal creature. But here's the real kicker. Scientists have no idea how it moved so efficiently. With a body that long and heavy, every step would have been a monumental effort, requiring precise skeletal and muscular adaptations to support its immense weight. It's like imagining a car moving through quicksand, but slower and with more resistance. Every breath, every heartbeat was an engineering marvel, a testament to the evolutionary prowess of these giants. And here's the wild part. Multiple individuals of Argentinosaurus lived at the same time, roaming the same land. Imagine a herd of these giants, moving across the landscape, leaving behind a trail of massive footprints. It's like a marvel to behold, with these colossal herbivores shaping the prehistoric environment around them. But the real magic is in the numbers. Its heart, if we could estimate, would have been massive, comparable to a small car. Blood vessels as thick as fire hoses would have circulated blood throughout its colossal body. It's like trying to imagine plumbing in a skyscraper, but instead of water, it's blood. Think about the food it needed. A single Argentinosaurus would have required the equivalent of a vast forest's worth of plants each day. Imagine a field, and then imagine that field covered with a dense carpet of ferns and cycads. It's just a small meal for one of these giants. And here's the ultimate question: how did it evolve? How did nature, through millions of years of trial and error, produce an animal so absurdly large? Argentinosaurus, a sauropod from the late Cretaceous period, tilde 95 to 93 MYA, in South America, represents the pinnacle of gigantism in terrestrial animals. It's like nature's own version of the Tower of Babel, where the builders just kept piling on more bricks until they hit the sky. So, the next time you see a picture of Argentinosaurus, remember this. It's not just a dinosaur. It's a testament to the incredible scale and diversity of life on Earth during the late Cretaceous period. Weighing in at an estimated 80 to 100 tons, it was one of the largest animals to ever walk the Earth, showcasing the awe-inspiring capabilities of nature. And that's what makes it truly amazing. Think about that. Think about the scale, the weight, the sheer impossibility of it all. And then leaves you in awe. Imagine standing next to a fully grown Argentinosaurus. Its back would stretch higher than a 3-story building. You'd be looking up at a neck longer than a school bus, and a tail that could snap a tree in half with a single flick. Argentinosaurus, the largest known sauropod, roamed the plains of Cretaceous South America some 95 to 93 million years ago, dwarfing even the largest land animals alive today. But here's the kicker. Argentinosaurus wasn't even the only giant around. Its cousins like Dreadnoughtus were just as massive. These giants roamed in the same ecosystems, creating a world that evolved to support these titans. Think about the vast forests they needed to sustain such massive bodies, and the rivers that had to be wide enough to quench their thirst. Now, picture a day in the life of Argentinosaurus. It wakes up and spends hours munching on ferns and cycads. Its blunt teeth are perfect for grinding down tons of vegetation. But here's the thing, it doesn't just eat, it moves. Each step it takes sends ripples through the ground, shaking the earth beneath you. And here's the real mind-bender. Argentinosaurus wasn't just big, it was efficient. Its hollow bones were lightweight, yet strong enough to support its massive frame. Its lungs were enormous, allowing it to breathe in enough oxygen to fuel its enormous body. But how did it all start? How did an animal evolve from something small to something as colossal as Argentinosaurus, the largest known land animal? It's like watching a skyscraper rise from the ground. Each layer of rock tells a story of a creature getting bigger and bigger, generation after generation. Argentinosaurus, which lived during the late Cretaceous period in what is now Argentina, evolved from earlier sauropod ancestors that were already massive in their own right, such as the Jurassic giants like Diplodocus and Apatosaurus. So, the next time you look at a picture of Argentinosaurus, think about the incredible journey it took to become the largest known dinosaur to walk the Earth. It's not just a dinosaur. It's a symbol of nature's boundless creativity and the endless possibilities of evolution. Tomorrow on the Extinction Files, the world where mammals never got their chance.